Hi, how's it going everyone? So this is going to be a very quick video to show you how you can make sure that you receive the $350 cost of living payment if you earn under $70,000 per year. So what you need to do is you need to update or add your bank account details to your IRD account. Search for the My IRD in Google and then go to log into My IR, and then you should be able to go to log into My IR on the IRD website. First, you need to log into your My IR account, and next thing you want to do is to go to the tab I want to, which is around the top there. Then you want to scroll down just a little bit and go to Manage Refund Bank Accounts. Once there, you go to add a new bank account. Then from here on, add in all your bank account details and set that as your refund bank account, and then you should be able to receive the payment. So there'll be 3 installments of the payment, and you'll be able to start receiving the payment from next week. I know that 90% of you already have your accounts on record, but it pays to just double check that you do have it in your IRD account.